Hi everyone, WatchOS 11 is Apple's upcoming operating system for the Apple Watch. Here's a summary of the key features expected in WatchOS 11, Enhanced Health Tracking. 1. Vitals app, aggregates sleep data for better health insights. 2. Training load, monitors workout intensity and impact on the body. Improved Smart Stack, new widgets and support for live activities. Other features. 1. Double Tap API for faster app interactions. 2. New Photos Watch Face with intelligent suggestions. 3. Expanded check-in safety feature. As WatchOS 11 is still in development, features and details may change before the official release. Please like, subscribe and click the notification. Let us know in the comments section what WatchOS 11 feature you are excited for. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.